Untold truth about why immigrants are leaving Australia. So, let's assume you are an ardent follower of my page and have been following my videos for a while. That would mean that you would have at least seen a few videos where I described Australia as one of the best countries to migrate to. You might have also seen the other ones advising you on states to easily get permanent residence and jobs that can help you migrate to Australia as soon as you can. And you might be thinking Australia is the most wonderful country in the world. While it is indeed true that Australia is among the top favorite options for migrants seeking to make a better life for themselves abroad, the truth is that there is really no perfect country in the world. Besides, as human beings, we have different tastes, wants, and desires. And what this means is that the conditions that might feel right for some would actually be wrong for others. Looking closely at the ratio of immigration to emigration in Australia, you will realize that the number of people entering the country is nearly the same as the number of people leaving the country for a better experience. In today's video, I will be talking about the few of the untold reasons why some immigrants are packing their bags and calling it quits with Australia. I gathered these reasons after speaking with many of my friends and acquaintances in Australia who have left or are considering leaving Australia for better opportunities elsewhere. So, if this topic interests you, then watch this video to the end, and you might need to reassess your options before moving to Australia. Hi friend, welcome to another interesting video from your favorite YouTube channel, 5-Star Migration. If you are new to my channel, please give this video a thumbs up and also hit on the subscribe button to help my channel grow and also encourage me to make more interesting videos for you. So, let's head over to the reasons why you might have to cancel your plans of moving to Australia. The number one reason why people are leaving Australia is because of xenophobia. This is the major reason why many immigrants are rethinking their stay and opting for better opportunities elsewhere. In the last decade, xenophobia in Australia has been gradually growing at an alarming rate. This country used to be cherished by almost everyone. In fact, it was a country founded by immigrants who emigrated to the continent on boats and were accepted by the original native Australians known as Aboriginals. But today, the descendants of those same people seem to have forgotten their heritage and are now looking down on other strangers. My friend Richard, who used to live in Australia, revealed that the primary reason he left was that he didn't feel welcome. After spending nearly 4 years there, he still never got used to the stares and subtle racist treatments. According to some other people I spoke to, the main reason for the xenophobia is the wage gap that exists between professionals who are mostly Australians and skilled people who are predominantly immigrants. Carpenters, chefs, hairdressers, and plumbers earn more than a white-collar manager or business analyst. You are often singled out if you are a blue-collar worker speaking with an accent. Just imagine what you will experience if you are of Asian, African, or Middle Eastern appearance, says Richard. Unable to endure the constant hounding and ill treatment, many immigrants have packed up and left, while the few who remain are simply waiting to get citizenship so they can use the passport to easily get access to more hospitable societies. Another reason is the high cost of living. One thing I have noticed about countries with good wages is the high cost of living. You earn high to spend more, but in Australia, the cost of living is outrageously high. While there are different contradictory opinions about the reason, the fact remains that it is really expensive to live in Australia. Yes, you can get a job, but the income you will be left with after taxes and daily expenses is insufficient for you to even save or plan to own property. Considering that many immigrants left their county to come to Australia to make a better life for themselves, some end up working up to 3 different jobs just so that they can make ends meet and still have something to send back to their families. My sister, who moved to Australia as baker without spending a dollar, suffered the same problem before her husband finally got a better job and was able to take some of the load off her shoulders. But not many people are that lucky. The next reason is the crowded cities. This is one of the most frustrating reasons because it is a direct consequence of all the other reasons that make Australia a nice place to live. As many immigrants relocate to Australia to enjoy better healthcare, amazing public transport systems, and numerous white sand beaches, the cities of Australia have become more crowded than ever. The last time I went to Melbourne to see my sister, I was astonished by the sheer number of people in the city. From the airport to the train station and down to her estate, there were people everywhere. As the population increases, so also does crime and other social vices. Recent reports have revealed that petty theft and drug abuse have been on a steady incline, making many neighborhoods unsafe. Many immigrants, especially those with young children, are faced with the choice of moving to another city or leaving the country altogether. Some have even moved from city to city and still face the same problem with time. So, they just pack up and leave. If you are enjoying this video, do well to subscribe to my channel as I regularly post similar contents and jobs opportunities in developed countries such as Canada, USA, United Kingdom and many others. Dwindling job opportunities is another reason why people leaving for USA and Canada. Yes, I know I cited the presence of job opportunities as a driving factor pushing immigrants into the country in my previous videos. But that exactly is what has created this problem of dwindling job opportunity. You see, as more and more people swarm into the country, the number of available jobs decreases. And then since more skilled professionals are willing to join the workforce, not only are you competing with people already there, but also with other immigrants yet to enter the country. This has made many people quit their jobs and move to other countries for better job opportunities. Another reason is quite shocking, and is the reason I can't consider the country a home for my family. The reason is because of snakes, wildfires, and storms. Australia is a continent of extremes. When it rains it pours, and it pours heavily. The torrential rainfall and tropical storms can prove too much to handle for some immigrants. And then during the dry season, it can get so hot that the forests literally burst into flames. As if that is not enough, there are poisonous snakes and other harmful creatures nearly everywhere, making it a really dangerous place to be, especially for those living on the outskirts. This is the reason I can't live in the country permanently, but can only visit. I am yet to meet someone that has the same level of phobia for snakes the way I do. I can literally pee on myself at the sight of snake, and I am sure whoever feels same way can't call Australia a home. So, there you have it guys, these are the untold reasons why a lot of immigrants leave Australia before the expiration of their visas. I want to emphasize that this video was not made to discourage you from migrating to Australia. I just believe that it is important you are presented with all the facts to help you make a more informed decision when choosing what country to relocate to. If you check my previous videos, you can find the pros of migrating to Australia, so you can compare and contrast. If you are considering applying for a foreign job or you want to be notified of jobs alert that grants visas to developed countries, then subscribe and turn on the post notification so you will be informed once the videos drop. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and share this video on your social media handles as it will help my channel grow and encourage me to make more interesting videos for you. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in my next video.